Welcome to the fascinating world of the Islamic economic system, a model deeply rooted in divine guidance and centuries of wisdom. Picture a complex machine of interconnected gears, symbolizing how economic systems organize resources to achieve shared objectives. In the Islamic worldview, economic life is intertwined with worship, where every act is a means to attain Allah's pleasure. Derived from the Quran, the system's foundations emphasize Tawhid, Ibadah, Khilafah, and Tazkiyah, guiding us to recognize Allah's sovereignty, worship through economic acts, stewardship of the earth, and purification through economic activities. Justice and ihsan are the operational principles, ensuring the well-being of all, while cooperation and collective welfare take precedence over individual gains. Responsibility in Islam extends to society and Allah, with every action being held accountable. The ultimate goal? Achieving success by upholding justice, development, and social well-being. Property ownership is seen as a trust from Allah, balancing private and public ownership with their respective responsibilities. Motivation in the Islamic economy stems from seeking Allah's pleasure, harmonizing material rewards with spiritual and social incentives. Decision-making involves consultation and balancing centralization and decentralization, guided by shared values. Coordination mechanisms blend market forces and government intervention to reflect Islamic values, with the state actively preserving justice and socio-economic welfare. While unique, the Islamic economic system adapts to fit within the broader spectrum of economic ideologies, offering a value-driven approach that balances worldly success with spiritual fulfillment. Join us on this enlightening journey into a system that harmonizes economic prosperity with spiritual well-being.